This is the entry for Tungnath temple. I'm just traveling up and eventually to Chandrashila. It's quite a steep chadhai, strong climb. So this is all mountain is. I'm going up, climbing to Chandrashila peak, and there are two ways. One is this path made there, and one is shortcut. So I think many of them have climbed shortcut, and that's where the peak is. From here, I'm here, and if I reach top, I can see 360 view of the mountain ranges of all Himalayas. It's awesome. When you come to Tungnath, definitely come here. It's worth coming here. So please do come. Sometimes it's hard to reach, but take your time and just try to come. It's not that hard. Maybe 1 hour will take 2 hours, that's fine. So I am a little top of the mountain now. So look at the landscape and mountain ranges of Himalayas, and look at that beautiful Bugyal, the greeneries where nobody goes. There's green grasses for ponies to eat. And so I took little uncommon passage, unlike people take, and took this path to come climb up here. It's a little short, and if you have a little stamina and strength, it's easier. I guess it has little soil based platform, which is easier to climb up than a stony part. People have traveled so many places. If you see here, this is the beautiful view you never have seen in the entire life. So this is near on the way to Chandrashila peak, and it's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen on the earth. 1 kilometer trek climb up to Chandrashila peak, which is about to come, still to come. And this is the mountain range here. I am, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this beautiful view of what an amazing space. It's worth coming here once in a lifetime. Definitely come whenever you have time to come. Full landscape. Wow. बहुत ही सुंदर अद्वितीय दृश्य है ये हिमालय की रेंजेस। मैं हूँ चंद्रशिला पीक के पास, अभी पहुँचा नहीं हूँ, और मैंने एक शॉर्ट रास्ता लिया है। आप बताइए क्या आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है यहाँ आने का? क्या आप आना चाहेंगे ऐसी खूबसूरत वादी में? ये तुंगनाथ टेम्पल से सिर्फ, और ये देखिए ग्रास, यहाँ ये पोनी खाती हैं ये ग्रासेस। ये देखिए, अगर आपको मैं यहाँ से दिखाऊँ, कैसा लगा आपको ये? What a beautiful space, landscape, and here I am. So this is Chandrashila peak. There is a temple here, and you can see 360 of this. Took me around 35 to 40 minutes to reach here on this peak. Usually people take 1 hour, so it's quite good for me. And this is the temple, and I'm just a little walking away from it to the end of it. The lots of structure people has made. And look at the view we have here. It's not a miss place on earth. Never at all. It's all 360 view of all the ranges. The entire Uttarakhand is here. This is the Bhutia dog. It's on hill, quite brave. So I'll show you something here. This gentleman has made this structure here, right here. Quite fascinated here. And ये भैया ने बनाया है. भैया क्या नाम है आपका?
सुमित कन्यान.
कहाँ से हैं आप?
यही मंडल से.
मंडल से हैं और इनको ये बनाना पसंद है. पूरा बनाया आपने?
हाँ, पूरा नीचे से ऊपर.
वाह, दिस इज अमेजिंग. तो सुमित भाई हमारे very interesting person made this structure so beautiful. He balanced with the small tones. छोटे छोटे पत्थर. नाम भी लिखा हुआ है इन्होंने, सुमित. इनकी आर्किटेक्चर है. ये हमारे सुमित भाई हैं. Very interesting to see him making this big structure, almost like 8 feet tall here, just behind this mountain ranges of Himalayas. Beautiful. So structure is made by Sumit, who is shooting this video. Amazing guy. और अद्भुत कलाकारी का नमूना है ये. जो हमारे मित्र हैं ये मिले हैं, सुमित भाई. Very interesting architecture. Almost like 8 feet. Very nice.
अब ऑन
नहीं, पहले ऑन था. ये हैं सुमित भाई. Quite interesting person to see. Well done. So this is Chandrashila Peak, the beauty at its best. What a beautiful scenery here. This one small cloud trying to float. Almost 3,500 meters above sea level, and it's quite up into the clouds. And if you really, this mountain ranges goes down into deep forest, the wildlife sanctuary of Kedarnath. Let's take a deeper look. There's Bugyal here also. Deep forest, green grasses. Sorry. और ये है चंद्रशिला पीक.
बस फिर मेरे पे.
आहा. Look what mountain or clouds are talking to you or saying to you at this Chandrashila peak. Definitely come once in your lifetime. And that's where the temple is. There. Too good. So all 360. So it's around 3:25 and I'm about to climb down from Chandrashila and almost try to reach Chopta. Let's see how much time it takes. So it's 3:50 and I have reached Tungnath temple from Chandrashila. So it took me around to go from, I started at 3:25 and I reached here almost like 3:55. Like half an hour to climb down. Good. So it's right now 5:20. I have started when it was 5 minutes to 4. So it took me around 1 hour 25 minutes to come down from Tungnath temple to Chopta bus stop taxi stand. So quite an adventurous journey I took. It was amazing coming here. So this is Uttarakhand season 2. I'll catch you soon again on my new journey. Till then, enjoy yourself and plan everything. If you have anything to comment or ask, please let me know.